Hello friends, welcome back to Happy and Healthy Life. Today I have chosen a low carb healthy pasta recipe. Whole wheat pasta is good for our health and lots of veggies make this dish colorful and nutritious. Trust me friends, it's very easy and delicious recipe. So start the recipe.
Half cup broccoli, half cup beans, half cup boneless chicken breast pieces, half cup mushrooms, half cup mixed bell pepper, half cup onion, olive oil, half cup sweet corn, half cup carrot, oregano, black olives, chopped garlic and ginger, cherry tomatoes, black pepper powder, chili flakes and pasta. Add 2 cups of water in the pan. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Now time to add 150 gram fusilli pasta. Mix 1 teaspoon olive oil. Boil the pasta for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, strain the water. Now heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add the small chicken pieces in the olive oil and fry for 2 minutes. Add chopped garlic and ginger. Add sliced mushrooms. Now add chopped broccolis. Add sweet corns. Now add chopped carrots. Chopped beans. Black olives. Chopped onions, mixed bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Add Himalayan pink salt to taste. Now time to add the boiled pasta. pasta with veggies. Add 2 teaspoons pepper powder, 2 teaspoons oregano, 1½ teaspoon chili flakes, now fry all the ingredients for 5 minutes. Now the pasta is ready to serve. Garnish it with cherry tomatoes and black olives.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications of my video. I will see you soon with the new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.